How to play NFL fantasy football. So basically a beginner tutorial. Um, this is pretty much a fun way to manage your own team of real NFL players and score points based on their real life performances. So if you're new, you don't really have to worry since it is not that difficult. So first, you're gonna have to create an account, of course. So once you go to their website, official website, and you can just sign in fairly very easy. Just put in your details like your name, your birth date, and of course you're gonna need an email. And you can also do this in the app, so you can download that in your device if you'd like. But the website is more flexible. No, not flexible. More open to many users, but the app is easier to use. But anyways, both is still same. But once you do that, you've created your accounts and you're pretty much ready to use the features of the game. You'll be able to see these options over here, which is join a free league or start a free league. So if you receive an invite, you can choose that as well, maybe from a friend. But if not, you can choose from either from these two. So you can learn the basics of scoring. So players earn points for their real NFL performance, like yards gained, which is points, touchdown, still points, but turnovers, stuff like that, it will be negative points. But you'll definitely have more information and learn more about NFL fantasy the longer you use it. So you can then draft your team again by choosing either join a free league or just start a free league. Actually, this is where you can draft your team. You can choose your league name, a league password as well. You can choose a draft format like salary cap or standard, time per pick over here, a draft type, and the date for when you will have the league draft. So the draft order as well, if you'd like, you can learn more about here directly in the website or possibly in the app as well. You can do an on-spec draft or an offline draft if you like. So you can choose the league settings as well, like the team, divisions, weeks per playoff matchup, playoffs, and viewable by public. So if you choose the offline draft, but if it's auto pick, you can choose the date. Again, you'll be able to see the scoring settings over here, which is an increase of points for these and a minus points for the interceptions thrown. For defense though, it's a bit different. You can learn more definitely. And then finally your team. So the team name and then the time zone. Once you do that, you can just create your league. So you can set your weekly lineup before each NFL game week, pick your starters and move others to your bench. Always check for bye weeks, injuries, and matchups before you do so. So if you're not happy with a player, you can use the waiver wire to pick up free agents, and you can also trade with other managers to pretty much improve the roster that you made, then track scores in real time. So during NFL games, your fantasy app updates your team's score live actually. So you'll compete head to head against another team each week. So top teams in your league qualify for playoffs. So usually weeks 15 to 17 of the NFL season, and the winner of the championship game is crowned league champion. So stay active, check your lineup weekly, read injury reports, and don't be afraid to make trades or waiver pickups. So that's the beginner's guide to turn into competitive players fast. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if you can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.